What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. We have the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. We have the dbrand glass screen, which is right here. And then also it comes with a cleaning kit and also a cleaning cloth. They also sent me the skins, or a couple of skins here, for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. I'll link everything down below. The screen protector though comes with a bunch of stuff. So inside you actually get a second set of screen protector install. So if you mess up the first one or you break it eventually or whatever, it does come with a second one. So a nice little value that they throw in there. Also in the box, you get a microfiber cloth right here. The white one, I believe, is for the skins. And then you also get this little squeegee to get out the bubbles. And it comes with two, count them, two alcohol wipes and also two, count them, two alcohol wipes. So you end up getting 4 alcohol wipes, one for each set for the installation. So let's get to that. So I would turn off your Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the power from it, so that you don't get touching to the screen. It doesn't mess anything up when you're doing this. Definitely turn off the power to the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. And then wipe this baby down, get all the dirt and grime and everything off of it, because you don't want that to be underneath the display when you install the new one. All right, that looks good. Nice and clean. Then you just want to dry off what you just did right there so that you don't have anything on the display, again, any wet spots or anything. It's probably going to dry up. It's alcohol. It's going to dry up really, really quickly. And it's going to clean all those germs off too, which is great. This is one of the easiest installations that you can have on a glass screen protector. And it's honestly why I love it. Probably, oh, it's right here. That's probably why I like it the most. So what we're going to do here is put this at the top right there and make sure we have it at the top. Yep, got that good. So what you're gonna do is just have that nice and leveled on there. And then we're going to pull this. We're gonna pull that, pull it from the sides here. We're gonna go. We're gonna wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna lift this up. There we go. Got a couple of bubble marks. So let's get those bubbles out now. It looks like I have a little bubble there and a little bubble there. All right, there you go. Looks good to me. I was able to get those bubbles out. I had trouble with this, but then I just went like this. I like kind of pushed down and over with my finger, and it looks like it got the bubbles out for me. Perfectly good. Now it's only going to protect the front screen protector, so remember that. But that's still pretty cool. Goes on very, very easy. Next, let's go into the skin, baby. I'm just gonna wipe this down a little bit. You don't necessarily have to do what I'm doing right here. It's really just because I want to. You shouldn't have any air bubbles or anything like that. And in case you're curious, yes, MagSafe still works. No problem at all. Could have got the camera definitely better. A little off, but I probably won't keep the skin on, honestly. I didn't choose these ones. They're not that cheesy, but I kind of like it just with the way it looks. But you get an idea of what it will look like with the skin, with the G logo there cut out. But yeah, the screen protector, you can see it works great. No problems at all with waking it up or using it or anything like that. Everything works on the screen protector really, really nicely. And I'll link everything down below. What do you guys think? Remember, I also have this skin as well. It's kind of like just a plain white one with texture on it. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you guys down the road.